Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm back in Canada with the snow still on the ground. This is, May 5th at the moment, so it's the snow's taken a little while to melt up here. But I just got recently back from my trip to Australia for 6 weeks. If some of you don't know, we planned a trip to Australia to visit my family and do a bit of touring around. And I just got back from that about a week and a half ago. So I flew a heap of places, got a lot of footage. I've been trying to decide what to do and how to put it together. So I'm just going to take it in chunks. This is going to be the first part. So what we did, we flew from Vancouver to Brisbane, and then we hired an RV and travelled up to Cairns. It was a bit of a whirlwind trip because it was 1,800 kilometres in just over, I think it was 12 days. So I didn't get a whole lot of time to fly. It was basically from one spot to the next, pretty rapid fire. But I did fly a couple places. So this video is of those two places. The first place was in Airlie Beach in Queensland, and then the second place in Townsville. There was so many nice spots I could have flown, but just really didn't get time. Going forward, the next couple of videos in the series will be just showing you the flights that I did do as I traveled around Australia. So hope you guys enjoy. Sit back, relax, and watch the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, hope you enjoy.
And it went